everybody, Nancy with Keto for Real Life People, and guess what? I get ready to cook my dinner, and I thought, hey, why don't you record it? That way everybody gets to see what you're cooking. Tonight, I'm just making a pot roast in my Instant Pot. My pot roast has gotten so darn good. I love my Instant Pot because it gives me time, it keeps my house from getting all hot. Now, if you don't have one, you can, easily put your pot roast in a crock pot, let it go low and slow. Or you can, use the traditional roasting pan and put it in your oven. But for my purposes, I'm using my Instant Pot because it's gonna only be about an hour and then done. So, you ready? Let's cook keto. For today's pot roast, you're only going to need a few ingredients to get you started. So, the first ingredient you want to use is salt and a little bit of beef broth, and then you're going to use a nice heavy cast iron skillet. I use a little bit of bacon fat or lard or a mixture of the two. Any animal fat is going to make your meat taste delicious. Today I'm using a pot roast. It's about 2.5 pounds. I wanted 3 pounds, but this is all I could get, so it is what it is. The cast iron skillet. Now I got a big one, and if you don't have a skillet as large, you can definitely cut your roast into chunks or sections, but you just want to make sure that you're able to get the roast browned really well on each side, top, bottom, and sides, okay? Right now I've got some bacon fat and some lard in my skillet. My skillet is nice and hot. My oil is good and hot, not too hot. And we are going to start browning. It's nice and brown. We're going to do the other side, and just don't lift it up. Don't mess with it. Trust the process. You want to grab it and you just want to hold it upright so that you're searing the edges of your roast. Okay, now our 50 minutes is up and we have pot roast. We're going to transfer our roast onto a platter. So to make gravy, you're just going to leave the drippings in the pan, and to that you're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of a thickener of choice. I'm using guar gum for making gravies and sauces. It doesn't have a bad mouthfeel or texture. It's really good. So you just sprinkle that across, and we're going to stir it. It's better to start with a little less, and if you need more, you can add it. But if you add too much, it's going to turn into glue. So I'm thinking this 1/2 teaspoon is going to be just right. All right, we're going to transfer our gravy into a bowl. And look how beautiful that dinner is tonight. We've got pot roast, Brussels sprouts, some wonderful, nutritious gravy. And dinner is served. Top it with bacon, call it good. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know we're going to have a great night.